Hey everybody, my name is Mark Cornell. I am your fitness executive. Welcome to another episode of WWW Is It BS or Not? Well, I'll let you call it on this one simply because face filters have been around forever. So if you've seen Snapchat or Instagram or TikTok or any of these things, you see people with outrageous, filter where their eyes get really big or, their lips get really big or, they're just looking like somebody else. But what you might not know is the simple fact that there's people out there that are using body filters. Now, if you're not familiar with what body filters do or are, I've got a pretty cool example for you here. All right, so this influencer, I don't know her name. If I get it, I'll credit her. But this is actually pretty cool that she had the audacity to kind of share this with everyone, because the body dysmorphia in the world is definitely real. Okay, now check this out. Here we go. First run through. Keep an eye on her midsection right here. See the little dents? When you look at it, you're like, ah, man, this young lady works out. She's fantastic, but imagine that this is your daughter, your spouse, your best friend, right? And this is what they have to go through to be accepted on the interweb. Check it, check it, check it. All right, keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on it. Here we go. Here comes the glitch. Hey, now look at her face. Hey, all right. So the sad part here is that for people not younger or same age or older, they're looking at this and saying, "Ah, this is what I should look like." So they'll do anything to look like this, and that's where catfishing comes from, right? So you imagine you're going out on a date, and this is somebody that might be attractive to you, and then you look at their social media, you see something like this, and then next thing you get that type of stuff, and you're like, "Oh my God, what was that all about?" So now if you look at it, if she just maintains a specific distance, then these filters work perfectly fine. And I don't know about you, I think she looks just wonderful without all those filters. And I think it is a sad, sad day, to basically find out. I knew about these body filters for a while. I just haven't done a post on it. And, I got to kind of navigate it, because I don't want to get, the cancel police to show up and try to cancel me for basically calling out somebody's BS, because this is the type of stuff that I cannot stand. And don't get it twisted. People with 300, 500,000 followers, a million, 2 million, 3 million, 10 million, they are all using these filters, and they're banking on the fact that you don't know. So please, please, please keep that in mind. So when you're there just sharing your journey, and when you're there sharing with people, what health looks like, emphasize the inside, then go to the outside, because that right there is redonkulous, and that right there, that's a catfish and a half. All right. Hey, let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I look forward to, I don't know, ripping something else apart very, very soon. Peace, everybody.